Yo guys, subscribe and turn the notification bell on. And comment too. Hi guys, long time no see. So in this video we'll be taking a quick look on the unboxing and review of the Canon EOS 90D DSLR camera. So Canon has recently released this camera and the worth of it is 1,25,499 rupees. So in this video we will take a quick look of it. So without wasting time, let's get in the video. This is Santosh from Smart Tech. Do it to me. Canon recently launched the EOS 90D DSLR camera in India. It comes with DIGIC 8 processor and has a built-in flash. The cost extends up to 1,27,499 rupees, including all the lens kit. So this video was recorded by Shlok. Let's get started to this video. Before that, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Don't forget to comment too. So here's a quick look. Let's start with how it looks. And here are the specs. The sensor type is CMOS. So the sensor size is APS-C. So here's the pixel. It approximates to 32.5 megapixels. So lens mount is EF. And image processor is DIGIC 8. And continuous shooting speed is 10 frames per second. So here you get the ISO still image as 25,600 and the ISO sensitivity for movie you'll get at 12,800. So here's the look of the camera. It looks really like huge and like that. As you can see, the camera. So shutter speed is 1/8000 second, that is mechanical. So autofocus system is a total of 5,481 AF positions that includes eye detection AF, single point spot AF and EOS ITR AF, and the cross type is 45 points. These are actually you can't understand, even I can't, but it's a different thing. So the display comes with a 3-inch touch enabled LCD monitor. So the video resolution comes to 4K 30p or 25p. So here's the look. Image stabilizer comes with lens shift type and in body 5-axis electronic image stabilization. So it includes stabilization and much more. If you're watching till end, like the video, comment and subscribe. Bye.